Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. I wanted to pop on and show you a goodie that I stumbled across. It actually came across my Facebook feed back in May. I ordered this back in May. It was a pre-order, and I just finally got it. It's August and I just finally got it. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this video, when I'll have time in my schedule, but I wanted to show you guys what it is. So I love Harry Potter. I'm not a crazy Harry Potter person, but I have read all the books, some of them more than once, and I've of course seen all the movies multiple times. So, and this is from Conquest Journals. It's an undated disc-bound planner, and I got it not so much because it's Harry Potter, but I got it because it's undated, A. B, it's a known layout. It's kind of a vertical layout. And C, because it looks very vintage to me, and I thought, more so than Harry Potter, I thought I could use it vintage wise. So I am dying to see what this looks like. So there's the front cover. Lumos is what they say when to get things to light up their ones. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I was zoomed out from my last video, so let's zoom in. Sorry for the glare. Wingardium Leviosa. Charms and spells, wands at the ready, polyjuice potion. Okay, so there's the inside cover. And then time to plan. My house. You can put your house in there. Paper quality doesn't feel too bad. Feels pretty similar, maybe a tiny bit thinner than Happy Planner paper, I'm not sure. So, and then like I said, it's undated, so you've got your tabs here with no dates on them, no months. But I love the cream color of the pages. So just a few opening pages there, goals, reminders. Then we get our first divider. It's a little bit glossy. Not full glossy, but not matte like the Happy Planner ones. You open it up. To do, important dates, remember all. This is awesome. And then there's your month. So again, you can do whatever you want with this. I love how it's, again, it's got some minor Harry Potter references. Polyjuice potion, tasted like overcooked cabbage. But not a lot, and you could cover that up. I really loved the vintage feel. Oh, and it's got discs with the little lightning bolt in it. Can you see that? Anyway, and then the weekly is, again, it's a Monday start, and it's a vertical. And I believe, I'm going to measure these real quick, but I believe they're the same size as the Happy Planner. Should be 1.5. So there's, yep, exactly 1.5. Should be by 2.5. 1, 2.5. Yep. So this is exactly the same size as the vertical Happy Planner. Undated. Alohomora. There's some Harry Potter copyright information in very fine print down here at the bottom that you could easily cover up with washi tape. It looks like all the weeks are the same. So there's, how many weeks do we get? So there's our month. 1 week should be 5. 2, wait, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So it should be 5 weeks in every month, even though a lot of months, the 5-week month is only every second or third month. But anyway, so there's the end of the month, Expelliarmus. End of the month reflections, but you can make that say whatever you wanted. I use this typically as my goal page for the following month, and I could easily still do that. Petrificus Totalis. I love it. Lumos. So again, then this is a little bit different. The to do instead of the month being right on the tab. So you could easily pull these out and use them however you want. Again, I just thought these would be really fun to use for some vintage spreads. Especially since it looks like every single week is literally exactly the same. The colors are the same. That little Alohomora is the same. So these are every week is exactly the same. So you would have extra weeks. Is this going to be a 5 again? It should be, because they have no way of knowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So you can put your month on here. You can put your numbers in. And then again, end of the month reflections is exactly the same. So it's all exactly the same. Your tabs are different, but that's it. So there we go. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know they have a dated version now that you can order. I'm not sure if you can still get this undated version. Again, I don't plan on using this as my planner, but I do love to do vintage layouts sometimes, and I just thought this would be really, really fun to use for some vintage layouts. And like this Alohomora is really the only Harry Potter reference, blatant reference, and you don't even notice it's there. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the rest of the tabs just real quick so you can see. So this is the Polyjuice Potion recipe on both sides. Expecto Patronum, and there's Harry's Patronus. So the tabs are all the same on both sides. Wingardium Leviosa, swish and flick. I don't know if the dated one looks the same or if it's different. If you got the dated one, let me know. Potions class. It's not, everything's got a little bit of a curve to it from the die cutting process. And like I said, they're slightly glossy, so, and the corners are nice and crisp. The paper's good quality. I'll do a pen test and let you guys know. Hogwarts school list. The supply list. There's platform 9 3/4. But everything here looks exactly the same from month to month, so. Mandrake elixir. Wands. This would be a good planner to use the month of October for Halloween. Use these pages for some Halloween spreads. That would be fun. I love the wands. And then Quidditch. There we go. And then let's see looks like there's stickers in the back. All right, you get a few pages of stickers. Some potions and some mail and cauldron, phoenix. These are a little bit glossy too. I think you can probably see the reflection. These are box stickers, so I'm sure these will fit. Yep, the vertical boxes. Some books, wand, some luggage. Oh, to-do lists. There we go. Those are fun. In the house colors, it looks like. These are tiny little bullet points. There's 6 of them in each of these little rectangles that match some of the colors. Oh, cool. So we've got the months. We can do some dating. Not all the days, but you've got your months. These would be good for the calendar pages. They're too big to go on the tabs here, but they could go on the calendar pages. And then there's some Severus Snape's birthday, Gilderoy Lockhart's birthday, Arthur Weasley, Luna Lovegood. So it's just the birthdays. Ron Weasley, Remus Lupin, Fred and George, Horace Slughorn, Draco Malfoy, Neville Longbottom, Harry Potter, Ginny Weasley, Hermione Granger, Minerva McGonagall, Phileas Flitwick, Molly Weasley, Sirius Black, Ruby is Hagrid, Tom Riddle, The Battle of Hogwarts. Oh, these you could use at least on the front sides of your month tabs. Those are small enough. Lots of platform 9 3/4 stickers. There's some Hedwig stickers and some Thunderbolts, of course. And there's the inside of the back cover and the back cover. So there you go. And again, it's got the little lightning bolt discs. They're plastic. They're black plastic, but same size as a classic size Happy Planner. So I hope you like this video. If you saw this come across your Facebook feed and you were curious, there you go. Again, it's the same size as a classic size Happy Planner. And these pages, I'm sure they're gonna snap, they're gonna pop right into my planner. Yep, no problem at all. Exactly the same size. So I'll be able to use this maybe in October or just whenever I feel like doing vintage spreads. I did a vintage Christmas spread last year in the month of December. So I'm really looking forward to using this for some vintage spreads. I hope you like this video. I hope it shows you that there are all kinds of things out there that you can integrate into your Franken planner totally seamlessly. And helps you, make a decision if this is something you want to look for or not. I'll put a link to their website in the description box. So it's called Conquest. Let me make sure I tell you right. C-O-N star quest, Q-U-E-S-T journals. This is the Harry Potter Hogwarts Weekly Undated Disc Planner. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.